I just
देर
want
उम्र
to
बतीर
mention
शिमर
that there
करो
are 2.5
देर
million Pakistani
उम्र
labor,
बतीर शिमर
mostly labor.
Imran
There
Khan da
are white collar workers there too.
cha चावरे
I
दे
just
दे
want
बहुत
to
अच्छा दे दे
say,
राजी रासे
Highness,
हो रहे
these are
हवाई हो
people
रहे खास कर
very close to
मुसाफिर
my heart. They are very special people who leave their families, who take all the trouble just to go away to earn a livelihood for their families. These are mostly people who don't see their families for a year, 6 months. And so for us, they are very special people. And we would just request you that, it is something which will please the Almighty if we can just treat them. There are some 3,000 prisoners there, and we just would like you to bear in mind that they have poor people who have left their families behind. So just a request that these are very special people for us, this labor which goes abroad for working. And imagine leaving their family and children behind who work hard, send their money back, and we would a special request from them that, please, sometimes they face hardships, and we would like you to look upon them as your own people. Basically, we feel that this close affinity to Saudi Arabia, we feel that your people are brothers, and we would just like you to have that same feeling for them. Thank you very much.
Mr. Prime Minister, just want to